A. Let me guess. But there is a problem.
Problem? Sir, he doesn't have any money to buy all those momos.
No bank wants to give him a loan. The investors do not even pick up his calls. To fund you 10 lakhs, but in return, I want 20% of the share. Every rookie cricketer doesn't become a star cricketer or play for the national team.
Hello, sir. Good morning. I had a question for you.
Go ahead. What's it about?
So, sir, I'm working on this Entrepreneurs Glossary where I figure out different startup terms and what they mean. And I was thinking if A for Adrian, then maybe A for, can you guess?
A. Let me guess. A for angel investor.
Exactly, sir. Can you explain? I have no clue who this angel is.
Let me simplify this for you. Imagine a young lad, Ramesh, from a small town with a big idea, street food delivery, bringing you the best of dosas, chaats, momos to people's homes. But there is a problem.
Problem? Sir, he doesn't have any money to buy all those momos.
Bingo. Ramesh has no money for branding, for his delivery boys, even for an app. No bank wants to give him a loan. The investors do not even pick up his calls. Along comes a Mr. Gupta, who runs a successful restaurant. He hears about Ramesh and meets Ramesh and tells him, I'm willing to fund you 10 lakhs, but in return, I want 20% of the share.
Wait, so what does this 20% ownership mean, sir?
So think of your business like a pizza with 10 slices. Initially, you own all the 10 slices. But when the angel investor funds you and asks for 20%, it's like taking 2 slices out of the 10 slices. So it's like taking 2 lakhs out of the 10 lakhs. And when the business grows, say it grows to 10 crores, so the angel investor's share is 2 crores. So as the business grows, so does the share of the angel investor.
Oh, so they invest early, hoping the pizza grows into a party-sized one. Got it, sir. That actually makes sense.
Did you know about the Zomato founder Deepinder Goel's idea about digitizing food menus and taking them to people's homes? Well, initially they needed funding, and angel investors stepped in, and now they're delivering millions of meals every day.
So basically, angel investors are like cricket selectors, no, sir? Spotting young talent before they make it big.
Exactly. Just like selectors try to spot rookie cricketers and try and make stars out of them, angel investors try and look out for startups when they're small. And now every rookie cricketer doesn't become a star cricketer or play for the national team.
Correct.
And not every startup succeeds. So that's where, risks and rewards step in.
Okay, sir.
Let's look at the pros and cons for a startup like Ramesh's, as well as the pros and cons for the angel investor.
Okay.
Let's look at the pros first for a startup like Ramesh's. There are no loans, no interest to worry about, just funding. The founder probably can get a mentor from the same industry. No long waiting time from the banks and no large paperwork from an investor. Cons? Ramesh loses 20% of the business. So, if we look at the pros and cons of the angel investor, if we look at the pros, if the startup succeeds, then the angel investor multiplies his money. And of course, there's the opportunity to be a part of making someone big. And if you look at the cons for the angel investor, not every startup succeeds again. And there's no guarantee of returns like a bank deposit.
Got it, sir. This is actually interesting. So if I ever start a business, my first step is to find an angel investor, right?
All you need is a killer idea and a solid plan. An angel investor is just looking for potential and passion. And once they find that in you and believe you, there you go, you have your angel investor.
Sir, this was amazing. Now I finally get what an angel investor does. Alright, sir, let me find someone to explain burn rate to me.